Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you disconnect your Wi-Fi network in your Samsung phone device. Guys, which network guys you have connected in your Samsung phone and guys you want to disconnect it. So guys you can disconnect and guys now let's see how to disconnect Wi-Fi network in our Samsung phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys if you need my channel. So guys first of all go and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon and like my video. So friends, now time to start video. And first of all, guys, what will you have to do, guys? You will have to guys click on guys your phone setting. So guys, we will click here. Then guys, you can see your first setting guys connection settings. So guys, tap here. Then guys, you click on Wi-Fi setting. So guys, which network guys you have connected in this guys? Which Wi-Fi network guys you have connected in your Samsung phone? So as you can see guys, Mukesh Wi-Fi guys I have connected in my Samsung phone. So I want to disconnect. So as you can see right side the setting icon. So guys, tap here. And guys, you can see guys your QR code and forget option. So friends, you can see this forget option means guys disconnect. So you will click on this forget option, then guys this Wi-Fi will disconnect automatic. Then guys you cannot use this Wi-Fi guys. If you use it, then guys you will have to enter again password. So I hope friends you have understood how to disconnect Wi-Fi network in our Samsung phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. So guys now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.